Living in a small home can sometimes feel frustrating for some homeowners. So for this redesign, we created a fresh design layout for a 27.7 square meter home that made just for two. When we received the request, the homeowner shared a simple goal. She wanted a space that truly felt like their own. One of their wishes was to have a small dining nook for casual meals together, so an island counter is what we integrate into the design. She also mentioned plans to extend the home in the future, so for now, the layout needed to be cozy and functional now for two-person, but also flexible for what's to come. In this video, we'll walk you through the redesign of the living area, breakfast nook, kitchen, and stair area, showing the layout changes, smart furniture choices, and how it all ties into a warm, minimal, modern Scandinavian style. This was the starting point, a plain space with a concrete floor and no defined layout. So from the floor to the ceiling, the entire layout was shaped with a clean Scandinavian look in mind. The living space and stair area, including seating, TV zone, and vertical styling, was budgeted at under $1,200. The dining nook setup, covering finishes, lighting, and function, cost around $700, fitting the space perfectly. The kitchen and side areas were visually refreshed with built-ins, all estimated under $1,400. Every item was selected not just for looks, but also for how much value and space efficiency it can offer. Let's break it down room by room, starting with the living area. In this living area design, every piece was thoughtfully selected to meet aesthetic goals while staying budget conscious. The ceiling is envisioned with linear spotlighting, typically starting at $30, depending on size and finish. A vertical wood slat accent, adding architectural softness. This can be custom fabricated or DIY using off-the-shelf materials. A low-profile cream-colored sofa anchors the room, ranging from $280 to $350. For a more affordable option, a 70 Minimalist sofa priced around $199 still offers depth and comfort. A solid wood coffee table with gentle curves, estimated between $60 to $80, adds warmth and flow to the space. For those who want hidden storage, a round coffee table from Walmart, priced at $160 to $170, is a great fit. The look is styled with ceramic vases, curated books, and a lantern-style portable lamp, all readily available online. A round scallop-edge ottoman adds a playful Scandinavian touch. A high-pile beige rug grounds the room with softness, priced at $170 to $200, depending on size. For additional layering, the concept includes muted-tone geometric wall art, a Dracaena indoor plant, and a drum shade floor lamp, with a combined budget around $170 to $200. The window and sliding door are framed with floor-to-ceiling sheer and blackout curtains in warm taupe, priced from $100 to $200, depending on fabric and length. The entertainment wall is styled with vertical oak panels behind the 55-inch TV, typically around $30 per panel, hiding wires and adding natural texture. Below, we incorporated a floating media console, sleek and off the floor, typically priced at $250 to $300. The understair wall integrates a blend of open and closed shelves, with custom work estimated between $160 to $200, perfect for styling books and ceramics. Finally, warm LED strip lighting, budgeted at $100 per 6-foot kit, adds glow and dimension to the setup. From top to bottom, this design shows that a beautifully layered space can be achieved affordably. A key client request was a casual dining area that also functions as a prep counter. So the design includes a peninsula in a white quartz look waterfall style. Budgeting for this would be around $300 to $500 from IKEA or Home Depot, depending on edge profile and slab thickness. The island front features fluted PVC panels, which you can source from Wayfair for approximately $70 per 8-foot section. bar stools are upholstered in boucle with slim black legs, Scandinavian in both texture and silhouette. It's priced around $130 each, with a total seating cost of under $400 for 3 stools. If you prefer something with back support, the modern counter height bar stools are a comfortable alternative. Above, wooden pendant lights bring warmth and balance to the composition. These range from $90 to $120 each on Amazon or Lulu and Georgia. Finishing touches include neutral-toned accessories and a slim vase, adding understated elegance. All in, this breakfast nook design is achievable for about $750. This kitchen was envisioned to balance visual simplicity with warmth and practicality. The layout features a marble-look quartz backsplash and countertop with gold veining, estimated at $55 to $75 per square foot installed. Cabinetry is designed with a matte beige laminate, kept handleless for a streamlined look. You can achieve a similar result using IKEA section plus Vettinga cabinets, with each section priced around $300 to $450, depending on configuration. To complete the setup, the layout includes standard kitchen appliances, chosen for compact efficiency. For extra display and storage, a wood-framed glass cabinet with lighting is included, with a budget of around $120 for the unit plus $25 for lighting. For accessories and daily use items, a budget of under $100 was allocated. An accent wall next to the kitchen is detailed with slatted panels and vertical flat panel with hidden doors, bringing function and texture, estimated at $300 to $480, depending on materials. A tall LED backlit mirror with rounded corners visually expands the space while blending form and function. Even in a small layout, this kitchen feels elevated and thoughtfully composed. Stair feature area. Instead of leaving the stairs as an afterthought, we treated them as a visual focal point. LED strip lighting is planned beneath each tread, costing about $30 to $40 each for soft ambient illumination. Then, a mirror is also included in the layout near this zone to reflect both natural and warm LED lighting, enhancing spatial flow and brightness. This area proves that even underutilized zones can become a standout feature. Style tricks that saved the budget. This small home for 2 people looks high-end, with all the furniture, lighting, decor, and built-in features you see here. Here's a quick breakdown of the budget-friendly strategies used. Each item, from the low-profile furniture to dual-purpose storage, was chosen to enhance functionality while maximizing openness. Warm wood finishes, cozy fabrics, and matte surfaces created contrast without relying on premium materials. Instead of major construction, thoughtful lighting choices like pendants and LED accents helped define zones and create mood, especially around the breakfast counter and entertainment wall. With smart styling and budget awareness, this design captures the quiet elegance of Scandinavian living. So now we created a modern Scandinavian-inspired space that feels much bigger than it is. And if you want to recreate this look, check the links in the description for design tools and product sources you can use in your own space. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. Want to see more home transformations like this? Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly design breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.